Great, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to talk a little bit more about how kind of the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statements link together by just giving you a couple of real simple examples. You know, one thing hopefully your business is going to do a lot of is make a sale. Remember, think of these three documents as kind of cogs in a wheel, or gears in like a factory, you know, like one gear spins and that spins another one, that spins another one. Think of it like that. Okay? So every time you make a sale, you know that on the income statement that's going to increase revenue. Okay? That's going to feed into an increase in accounts receivable on the balance sheet. It's also going to result in a decrease in inventory on the balance sheet and a decrease in assets on the cash flow statement once paid. Thinking about your net income going up. That's from the income statement. That's also going to be an increase in retained earnings on your balance sheet. An increase on accounts receivable from the balance sheet leads also to a decrease in assets also on the income, also on the cash flow statement once paid. Pardon me, I misspoke. So an increase in accounts receivable from the balance sheet leads to a decrease in assets on the cash flow statement once paid. The reason I'm doing this short video is, again, I don't want you to think of these as three separate documents that are totally in isolation from each other. Use one document to double check the work on another, and use another one to double check the work on the other two. Right? This can be a great way to help you catch mistakes so that you don't get in trouble with the tax man or tax woman once you have to pay your quarterly taxes. Awesome. Well, I hope you've enjoyed these videos. We're going to continue with our discussion of pro forma documents, which are very similar to what we've already done, but except we're going to be making some predictions about the future. Awesome. As always, give me a likes if you like this video. That's like a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you have any questions, and also make sure you subscribe. Awesome. I'll see you soon.